I wouldn't advise you to buy shares in your child's name. Yes, it is possible. If you want to do it, go ahead and do it. It's your money. But I would. Hey guys, welcome back to Financial Literacy in Uganda. Zina Manja Miriam. Guys, tandikana kwetonda, I'm extremely sorry. I've taken this long time without uploading. And yeah, have so many things have been happening. I was sick, and then so many crazy things have been happening in the background, and I really failed to get time to shoot this video. Yet I had promised, yes, that I'm going to keep them back to back, but please bear with me. I'm sorry. But now that I'm here, let's just finish this series and get on with our lives, yeah? So again today, I understand the channel is called Financial Literacy in Uganda, but then someone requested that I try to include English. So today, I'm going to use more English than usual, and then you, the subscribers, will tell me whether you want me to continue in English or whether we can keep rolling in our Uganda as usual, yeah? So please let me know which language you prefer, and yeah, I'm more comfortable to switch. Whatever you think will be of help, I'll be more than willing to accommodate. Now, getting into today's topic, we're talking about the frequently asked questions about the MTN IPO. I got a chance to compile a number of questions. If you see me looking this side, it's because I lined up the questions here, so I'm going to keep turning. But yeah, I managed to collect a number of questions from mainly different social media sites, and this is because that's where there was a lot of interaction between MTN and then all the different brokers. So I managed to pick some questions that people are asking, and I thought we should discuss them in detail. So that is what we're going to be looking at today. Anyway, jumping straight in, our first question is, what is an IPO? So before a company gets listed, so many things happen in the background before even the public realizes that, well, this company is going public. Of course, they apply, and then there is underwriting process and all those different kinds. But an IPO is just a stage when a company is getting listed, and this is a stage where they call on the public to subscribe to their shares, and after this time period, then they're able to get listed on the stock exchange. Anything beyond that is a lecture, and I'm not giving a lecture. So an IPO is the first stage where the company comes to the public and requests individuals to subscribe to their shares. Just that. Yeah, jumping on to our next question. The next question is, what are the timelines of this IPO? So basing on the publications that I was able to pull, the timeline of the IPO, 11th October to 22nd November. So by the time I'm shooting this video, it's just 10 days to the end of the IPO. Yeah, you still have time to make an informed decision. And then after the IPO, the company in question, which is MTN, is going to get listed on 6th December 2021. Yeah, so those are the critical dates that you need to be aware of. Our third question is, what is a share? You know, people kept asking Emigabo Chechi shares, Chechi, but well, so a share is a unit of measurement. Just like you see when we're measuring distance and you're using kilometers, meters, and all those sorts of things, a share is a unit of measurement of ownership. So if a company is listed and say they have a total holding of 100 shares, and then an individual has 10 shares in that company, we say you hold 10% of that company. So we only measure your ownership in terms of shares. That is what a share is all about. It's just to show how much you hold of a given company. Yeah, jumping on to our next question. I'm sorry if I'm appearing to rush through this, but we have so many questions and I want to make this video as short as possible. And then the next question was saying, can I buy shares if I'm outside Uganda or if I'm not Ugandan? Yes, you definitely can, as long as you open a CSD account. And I'm going to just pull, I think, some publication that was made by the USA. I'm going to just pull it and put on this video. So yes, you can, and you can just get all your details in soft copy. I think I must have directed you guys on how to do that in the videos. I think Introduction to the Stock Exchange or the other of how to invest in shares in Uganda. So just check out that video and then you'll have a detailed explanation on how you can open a CSD account outside Uganda. But also this detail on the screen should be able to help. Next question. How do I earn from shares? So yes, this is a recap as well. You can earn from shares either through dividends. Dividends are distributions of profit to shareholders in a given entity, or you can also earn from shares when the price that you've bought at is less than the price that you're going to sell at, so that you make a profit. Yeah, you buy at a lower price, sell at a higher price. That is how you make money from shares. Yeah, so just two ways: dividends and buying and selling. Next question. What taxes will I be charged? So the beauty with Uganda is there is no capital gains if you're buying shares on a listed entity, like on the Uganda Securities Exchange. If you buy and sell, there is no capital gains tax, only for the listed entities. But then there is 10% and 15% withholding tax on the dividends that are going to be paid to you. So if they pay you 10,000 dividends at maybe end of quarter, end of year, mid-year, whatever, before you get, the amount that you're going to get in the bank is going to be that amount less 10% withholding tax goes to URA. So the next question,